Brass Eagle Adventure Team and the Savage Island. We now continue the adventure.
Kraken was first discovered by Captain James Cook in 1778. He sent 5 of his men onto the island. All 5 of the men fell to their death trying to climb the sheer walls of the caldera. Captain James Cook named the island Kraken and stated in his journal, "This is a savage island." 20 years later, Captain Robert Gray heard about Captain James Cook's adventures on Kraken and sailed to the island. Once there, he sent the most experienced men he had onto the island. They made it into the rainforest, but soon after started screaming. The screaming stopped as quickly as it started. Captain Robert Gray wrote in his journal, "I have never heard men scream that way, and I never want to again. Kraken is a savage island."
To be continued. Join us next week as we continue the adventure with the Brass Eagle Adventure Team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Like this video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.